National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Laurel County in northern Knox County in southeastern Kentucky, southwestern Leslie County in southeastern Kentucky, southern Clay County in southeastern Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dorothy, or 9 miles south of London, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandy Fork, Ferriston, Bradshade, Lake, King Creek, Salt Gum, Goose Rock, Eros, Jarvis, Bush, Crane's Nest, Girdler, Johnsea, Ice Cliff, Park Valley, Cotton Gin, Gray, War Branch, House, and Boho. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Clay, Knox, and Leslie.